Make a great choice today with the 2018 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, power sunroof, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.